God damn, it's still working? I haven't touched this in 3 months. What's up, guys? Ronnie Zamora here, and I know it's not even that special, but I haven't used this camera in like 3 months, and it's still working. Well, I mean, of course it will still work. I mean, it's not even as old as 10 or 20 years. It's just that I have not touched this in like 3 months, even though, like I said, it's not even that special, and yeah. Also, you already know, I'm in college now, and I said I wouldn't be online as much if I get too much assignments, but I guess it's just normal. I guess I just got the normal amount of college assignments, so I guess I will still be online if either I was taking a break from the assignments or I'm done with all of them. So yeah. And there's nothing much I gotta say here, so I guess this is Ryan more. Oh, and before I go, again, this camera is not dead. I just haven't touched it for 3 months because I don't know what to do with it until now. So yeah, this is Ryan Zamora signing off.